Today, I want to continue reflecting on the theme that's contained in the readings for this week. Things that we need to help us along the journey. So in the first reading today from the Acts of the Apostles, we see that there is a persecution that's taking place in the church in Jerusalem, and that Stephen, the first martyr, had been buried. Notice also that this is a time when Saul, who will be renamed Paul, was trying to destroy the church. He was a persecutor of the church. So then it says that Philip went down to the city of Samaria and proclaimed the Christ to them, even in the midst of this persecution. And look at the reaction that he receives. With one accord, the crowds paid attention to what was said by Philip when they heard it and saw the signs he was doing. It took great courage for Philip to continue to preach after Stephen was killed. We too need the courage to remain faithful to our convictions, the convictions of our faith, the values of our faith. It takes courage to stand up for those who are poor and marginalized. It takes courage not to go along with those who are prejudiced, those who espouse bigotry. It takes courage to speak the truth in the face of lies and misinformation and disinformation. And so we need courage to live our everyday lives, to be sure. But we also need the courage that was demonstrated by Philip in this reading today, to stand up for our faith, to be bold in our proclamation of our Christian faith and our witness to that faith.